I think the way that partnerships really work is based on an awareness from both sides of what the real goals and needs are. So from the agency side, we really need for them to appreciate that this is a research project and that the topic needs to accommodate research activity and exploration and things that may or may not end up in the final delivered system. And in our case, that works very well. The Forest Service and Dr. Tim Toll, the agency representative, are very appreciative of those aspects and very excited by it, actually. And from the academic side, it's awareness that it's not enough to conduct the research and write papers. It's really important that this lead to something that's useful and that something has the potential to be deployed in the agencies.
As a student in research, I don't know a lot about these government agencies in terms of their everyday jobs, what they have to face, their everyday challenges. In the same sense, they don't understand a lot of my perspective as a researcher, the types of questions I ask or I want to ask and what I'm interested in. And I think that's a really big challenge in a lot of these projects, is blending those two perspectives for the greater good. A really important key that I got from this session was to really look at the collaborative effort and how you can build this feeling of trust between academics and between the government agencies, how to establish this relationship.
The partnership between Oregon Graduate Institute and the U.S. Forest Service, as well as many of the other people participating in the project, is very good. There's a lot of cooperation, and when you deal with a partnership like this, people come from different backgrounds and they have different expertise, and they use different words, and they sometimes use the same words with different meanings. And so it's important to be open in communicating with people and be able to really understand what they're asking and what they're explaining, and I think that's been really good.